Parma, Ohio. Fire Suppression Contractor License Bond. Parma, Ohio. Fire Suppression Contractor License Bond. The Parma, Ohio Fire Suppression Contractor License Bond is a type of surety bond required for contractors who install, maintain, or repair fire suppression systems in Parma, Ohio. It acts as a financial guarantee that the contractor will follow local building codes, fire safety regulations, and licensing requirements. If the contractor fails to meet these obligations, the bond provides protection to the city or affected parties. Why is Parma, Ohio Fire Suppression Contractor License Bond required? This bond is required to ensure that fire suppression contractors perform their work safely and in compliance with municipal standards. It helps protect the public by holding contractors accountable for proper installation and maintenance of life-saving systems. Additionally, it gives the city financial recourse if a contractor violates regulations or causes damage through negligence. How does Parma, Ohio Fire Suppression Contractor License Bond work? The bond involves three parties: the contractor principal, the city obligee, and the surety company that issues the bond. If the contractor violates the terms, such as failing inspections or not completing work properly, a claim can be filed against the bond. The surety may pay valid claims, but the contractor is ultimately responsible for reimbursing the surety for any losses. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.